what's written here. This is a plaque of dedication. Words are indeed powerful. Osama City, dedicated to the Almighty God, as God's promised city of honor and grace. This plaque of dedication, made by our Honorable Mayor Reynaldo O. Paruhino Sr. on March 27, 2009, signed by the Chairman of COMIA, Pastor Elvisa L.V. C. Go, and Pastor Felisa Okaya, Coordinator Osamis Land Liberation, Reverend Robert L. Esles, President Philippine Prayer Force, and of course, Bishop Dr. Armstrong N. Eze, Founder, Land Liberation Movement International Africa. So ito po yun. And we want to pass this sa lahat ng mga pastors. Please, guniti ang panalangin nga gihatag sa Ginoo pinaagi ani sa simbolo sa plaque of dedication. So bago ni nato ihatag sa atong chairman, no? Ug siya pod chairman ng ministerial, ug siya pod ang hand over sa atong mayor represented by his daughter. So sige po. Dito natin sisimulan. Yan. Palakpakan naman natin.
Saan ang likod ko, men? Birthday sa amin. Wala yung okay. Oh, Johnny! Happy birthday, Johnny! Happy birthday, Johnny!